Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, I wanted to do a full top-down analysis today because it's so important to understand the higher time frames. Even if you are trading on like the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, it is so valuable to understand the daily, weekly, and monthly because it's such an important roadmap to tell you what direction to be trading on any of the sort of time frames. And by the way, happy Easter to everyone. So, anyways, on the monthly time frame, I think it's an extremely clear pattern when you're on the monthly, and it makes perfect sense. This is one, two, three waves down for W. This is one, two, three waves up for X. Now we have impulsive down wave A. We have one, two, three waves up wave B. We should be now making 5 waves down for the A, B, C of wave Y to complete this 3 waves of W, 3 waves of X, 3 waves of Y pattern. So we are right now in a wave C of wave Y, and a wave C should play out as a 5 wave pattern to the downside. And this is the monthly time frame, so it potentially is going to take a year or more for this to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to break this trend down. This is definitely a wave one, wave two. We are definitely in a wave three right now. And one, two, three of one. This is still a wave one, by the way. The target for a wave three, I think, would be minimum the 161, 178. It might even stretch out a little more down to this area. I think it might even go down to here and end up looking something like this for a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five of wave one. Like I said, this is only a wave one of a 5 wave pattern to the downside on the monthly time frame. Then we'll probably eventually make a wave two and then eventually down for the wave three. So keep that in mind. It is extremely important. Going down to the daily time frame, now we're starting to see the trends within trends. This is what I think it was a leading diagonal, wave one. Then we have a wave two, and we are definitely in the wave three of wave three. So we got the wave one, the bigger wave two ends here. Now we're looking at the trend within a trend for the wave three. So we have a one, two, three of wave three going on right here. And like I just said on the weekly time frame, my target for this wave three is a minimum the 161, 178, which is why I've been so adamant about looking for shorts on sort of time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is why I've been saying shorts only. Like I said, if you've been doing nothing but looking for shorts over the past several weeks at the end of any 3 way pullback you've been seeing, any, nice little pullback you get, nice little 3 way pullback, you definitely have been making money, that's for sure. So definitely still recommending shorts in a downtrend. Now, if this does go up, which I don't know it is going to, it doesn't have to, but especially because we're in a wave three on the daily weekly, it might just keep on going down. If it does go up, that higher time frame analysis is telling me that it is very likely just going to be a correction to the last 5 waves down. So one, two, three, four, five. So if it does go up, it is almost definitely just going to do this and then just keep on going down later on. Now that's if it goes up. It doesn't have to go up. We're in a wave three. It could easily just keep going down. I'll just say if it does go up, it's almost definitely just going to be a correction to the last 5 waves down. So bringing it down to the 1 hour time frame, hopefully now you can kind of understand why I've been so adamant about shorts at the end of one, two, 3 way patterns. Because if you were doing nothing but looking for shorts at the end of one, two, 3 way patterns, you've probably been doing pretty good because you've been trading in the direction of the weekly, monthly, and daily time frame. Now we definitely do have 5 waves down, so a pullback does seem pretty likely, but I definitely wouldn't be counting on it. I personally am only looking for shorts in a downtrend right now. So anyways, I hope everybody enjoys the weekend. As always, thank you for watching and happy trading.